Is your Google Workspace email refusing to send and you have no idea what's going on? Whether your emails are bouncing back, getting stuck in the outbox, or simply not delivering at all, this problem can seriously disrupt your entire workday. In this video, I'm going to show you some quick and effective solutions that will get your Google Workspace email sent again smoothly. Also, in case you need more help, just dial in the numbers on the screen to get one-on-one expert assistance. Now, let's move on to the solutions. First, head to the Google admin page and log into your super administrator account. Once you're logged in, open the left side panel to get started. From the left panel, expand the account section and then open up the domain options. Now, go ahead and click on the Manage Domains to continue. Look for the business email that isn't working and make sure the status next to it says Verified. This is an important step, so take a moment to double check it. Once that's done, head back to the left side panel and this time expand the Directory section. Go ahead and open the user folder from inside the Directory section. Take a moment to go through your users and settings and make sure everything is set up correctly in your account. Now, head back to the left side panel one more time and expand the Apps option. Under the Overview section, go ahead and select Google Workspace to continue. Check the list of added applications and make sure Gmail is included. If it's not showing up, go ahead and add it right away. Open the Organizational Unit folder and verify that Gmail has turned on for all groups so that everyone has access. Next, go back to the left panel and click on the Billing tab to open it up. Open Subscriptions and check that your current plan is active and not showing any issues or warning.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.